Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Monday, May 4th. Have a great day.
Today is a day 2.
Good morning, Unity students and parents. Today is Monday, so we'll have a great week coming up. Weather was really nice this weekend, and I know Ms. Brady's asking a question about what you did this weekend as you're writing for the day. It was great hearing from an awful lot of you on Friday. We had a Google Meet session where people could just join in, and we talked with some people for just a few minutes and other people stayed for half an hour or longer, and it was really neat, and we're planning on doing that again this week. If you have a question or if there's something that might be easier for us to answer a question with a video like that, we might be just emailing you a link. So if you see an email that says you want to join this from Mr. Morshauser or Miss Brady or Miss Moore, if you click on that, that'll put us so that we can talk to you. We're also talking about having office hour type things, but we'll let you know more about that. That would be something like at 10 o'clock. If you have a question on the math assignment, you can log in for that. Or if you are confused about our new writing project, maybe at 11 o'clock or something like that, there'll be a time where you can join in and we'll email you and give you the code to get in. If you had trouble getting in or weren't able to get the code to work for our meeting on Friday, I know at least a couple people had a little concern with that, please email us, let us know that, and we can do a practice one just to make sure. So for some reason, most people were able to get in and a couple of them got jammed out, so no idea about that. Also this week, we are starting a new, it's kind of a project. It's going to be a science and language arts crossover mix, and it is about, it's your writing and you're going to be doing an argument, and Miss Brady lays it out very, very well in a video today and tomorrow. And let's see, tomorrow I'll also have a video kind of explaining where you can find some resources that you do, and you'll be using the information that we've been learning for the last month or so on the environmental issues, and you'll be using that to do something called argument writing. And again, she'll be going over that very clearly in today and tomorrow, and then we'll be working on that in the next few weeks, and you'll just have an assignment for the day. Speaking of that, your language arts for this writing thing will be found in the science class on Shobi. So in the science class on Shobi, that's where you'll find your language arts with the science writing project. I guess that's about all we have for today. Let's make it a good day, and we will see you hopefully soon, at least at the end of the week on Google Meet.